Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am finally back with a bullet journal setup video, and I think I haven't done one of these since September last year. I don't even remember, but here's a quick flip through of my bullet journal setup so far. I have really been enjoying this scrapbooking, junk journaling kind of style in all of my journals, so you will see a lot of that in this bullet journal as well. And as for the bullet journal itself, I am using the Koibook Space that I got from Koikoi, Nepal, and I am really enjoying using this bullet journal. Everything that you will be able to see in my setups will be linked in the description below, so make sure to check that out, and let's get started with February's setup. For this month's setup, I'm going for a very pink theme with lots of hearts and roses. So I made these custom doodles myself on this transparent paper, and I will also be using these heart alphabet stickers that I got from Keijuki Studio. For the cover page, I wanted to do something like an envelope full of hearts coming out of it, so I used some brown paper for the envelope part, and I'm using my heart alphabet stickers for the title that says February, and then I just stuck all of the heart doodles in place. The different shades of pink and all the hearts are definitely very loud and very out of my comfort zone, but I really wanted to try something different this month, and I never really went for the classic Valentine's sort of theme in February before, so I thought I would give it a try this year. And I also wanted a little note kind of peeking through the envelope, so I made that with some white paper, and it says, "If it's meant to be, it will be." And I'm also making a little mini calendar just below the title February. For the page beside it, I just did a scrapbooking style quote page with different craft papers, and I'm glad I had this pink Nepali paper lying around because I think it goes really well with this pink theme that I have going. And my favorite thing about this scrapbooking or junk journaling style is that I can play around with all of the papers and try out different layouts before deciding on a particular one. And I just think that the whole process is really fun. And as for the quote, I just wrote, "Be enough for yourself first, the rest of the world can wait." After that, I'm just adding some more doodles here and there and some finishing touches, and this is how it turned out. Next, for the monthly page, I am continuing the scrapbooking style along with the heart alphabet stickers. This month, I went for a full 2-page monthly spread because I'm guessing it's gonna be a very busy month, so I'm definitely gonna need more space in this spread to fill in important dates. I also made another box on the side for my task list this month, and then I'm just filling in all the empty spaces with some stickers, doodles, and that's basically it for my monthly spread. Next, let's move on to the trackers page. Now, I have been bullet journaling for 2 whole years now, so I know exactly what I need to track and what is just going to be a waste of space and time for me. And this might be different for you guys, but I like to track some habits, my mood, and my expenses. There's so many things that you can track in your bullet journal, but I just find these 3 things the most important for me. I decided to make this page a little more simple because I think it will look nice once I start filling it in. For the mood tracker, I am planning on doodling little heart-shaped balloons to the height according to my mood that day. And as for the other trackers, for my habit tracker, I'm going to make a little heart on the date that I do that particular habit. And as for my expense tracker, I have 3 columns with date, description, and expenses. So I'm just gonna fill it in on the day I make a purchase or the day I spend any amount of money, and that's basically it for all of my trackers. After that, I'm just finishing the page off with more doodles and stickers, and this is how this page turned out. Next, we have my weekly spreads, and I apologize for the lighting in advance. I filmed this at night, but if you have seen my previous bullet journal setups, you know that I am super lazy when it comes to setting up weekly spreads, and I like to fit in a lot into a single page so that I don't have to do multiple weekly setups. Here, I'm just making boxes for each day of the week, and I'm also making a little tab for the page because I really like that style. And this is just really simple. I'm just using all of the doodles and the stickers and the theme colors to make it look decent. I also did another page like this as well so that I don't have to set up another weekly spread again, and I'm all set for the month. If you're lazy like me and hate setting up your weekly spreads every week, or you just don't have the time to set it up every week, you should definitely try and set up the whole thing at the start of the month because it really saves you a lot of time, and it also helps you keep yourself organized throughout the whole month. Last but not least, we have my highlights page, and I only started doing this very late last year, but I really enjoy filling this page in. If you haven't tried a highlights page before, I really encourage you to try making this page in your bullet journal as well, because it really makes you focus on the positive things that happen throughout the month and not the negative ones. And I'm doing the same scrapbooking style here as well. And at the bottom, I just wrote choose to look on the bright side, and that's all of my February spreads done. I added a few more doodles and stickers here and there. So here's a quick flip through of my 2022 February bullet journal setup. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave a like if you did, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel for more similar content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!